up? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to do another science experiment. The observation of this experiment will be that the air expands when heated and compresses when cooled down. So the materials needed for this experiment are a vessel full of hot water, a vessel full of cold water, a bottle without a cap, and one balloon. So step 1 is that we will fix the balloon on the top of the bottle neck. So now I have fixed the balloon on the top of the bottle neck. Now I will put it in the vessel full of hot water and hold it for a few seconds. Wow, this is so fun and cool. See, I have put the bottle inside the vessel full of hot water, and the result is that the air in the balloon expands when it is heated. Now the balloon is still inflated. Now we will put this inside the cold water. The observation of this is that the balloon is the air in the bottle is contracted when cooled down. Now I will put it in the hot water, and again the balloon will be inflated, and now I will put it in the cold water. I will do this again and again. So now as a result, the balloon is inflated because of the air of the bottle, and it is inflated because the molecules when heated need more space. So the balloon is expanded. Now, as a result, when put in the cold water, it deflates because when put in the cold water, the molecules are near each other and they need less space to be in the balloon. So that's it for today's video. If you liked it, so please like the video, share this video and subscribe this